Hi, my name is LaDonna Patterson. I'm an advanced automation engineer at Tesla, and this is the story of my journey. I'm originally from St. Louis, Missouri. A lot of my family grew up in nursing and teaching as well, as far as their professions. I was the only oddball that actually did engineering. I'm the oldest of two, and I started off in high school doing several internships during doing research, essentially at Washington University in St. Louis Medical School in the microbiology department. And from there, my enjoyment of STEM, science, technology, mathematics, and just continuous learning kind of developed from there. I ended up going to the University of Alabama. I majored in mechanical engineering, had a ball. I had my first taste of manufacturing and engineering during an internship at Mercedes as well. From there, I started to learn a lot more. I interned at Tesla, continued, expanding the scope of really what I was learning and how I could, provide a value to the company and just kind of evolve into a stronger engineer by taking on, more challenges and finding more mentorship and gaining more experience in the field. Uh, Recently, I applied to become a graduate student for Masters of Computer Science with Arizona State and have really enjoyed the programming coursework with their department. A lot of my training was, just pure interest and it evolved into books, into further graduate training. And from there, I was just able to, participate in a lot of opportunities that gave me hands-on experience to get more skill sets and just kind of develop further. If there's anything I could say that I've learned in terms of navigating through my journey for my career path, I would definitely say do the hard job that no one wants to do and learn the most on it. Don't be afraid of challenges. Don't be afraid of not knowing. Make sure you ask questions. No one knows everything, that's for sure. We all are kind of in this journey to get better in some shape or form. Also, to set hard boundaries or healthy boundaries, if you would say. Know what you're comfortable with, know what your expertise is, know what you need to get better at, and definitely lead with empathy when you make networking connections, whether it's school or in the career path that you've chosen. Um, but yeah, so that's kind of like a summary of my story. And next up, we have Debbie Rumbo, founder of ONMST.